Think your to-do list is long enough? I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a maintenance chore you may not have on your list yet, but you should right after this. Here at Today's Homeowner, we strive to deliver the most trusted, practical information you need to keep your home looking and running great. That's why we want to hear from you through our listener survey. Whether you'd like to suggest a topic, have a segment idea, or want to let us know how we can improve, we want to hear from you. Each listener who completes our brief survey will be entered to win one of 3 $100 Home Depot gift cards. So head over to todayshomeowner.com/survey now to share your opinions. Caulking concrete cracks is an important but often neglected chore. When concrete is poured, they add expansion joints so that the slab can move as it expands and contracts with temperature changes. But sometimes concrete still cracks, so score joints, which are shallow grooves cut into the slab, are added to give it a convenient place to crack without marring the surface. Great idea, but if water drains through and gets under the slab, it can erode the foundation of the concrete, and if that water freezes and expands, then the cracks expand and multiply. So the solution is to fill the crack with caulk, which is flexible but will seal out the water. All you have to do is scrape out the dirt, debris, or weeds, give it a good sweeping, and then fill the gap with caulk. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.